Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with Wix Studio. First, understand that Wix Studio provides a robust platform for creating advanced websites. You can leverage its features to design professional sites for various clients, from small businesses to larger enterprises. This allows you to offer high-value services, building a strong portfolio and attracting more opportunities. It's a fantastic way to turn your design skills into a profitable venture. One primary method is offering client services. You can design bespoke websites tailored to specific client needs, including e-commerce stores, portfolios, or informational sites. Pricing can vary significantly, with many designers charging between $1,000 and $5,000 per project, depending on complexity. Additionally, offering monthly maintenance packages like updates and security checks creates a steady stream of recurring revenue. This builds long-term client relationships. Another excellent way to earn is by creating and selling templates or apps. Design beautiful, functional website templates within Wix Studio that others can purchase and customize. You can also develop specialized applications or widgets for the Wix app market, catering to specific business needs. Each sale generates passive income, allowing your work to continue earning money long after its initial creation. This scales your earning potential significantly. Finally, consider affiliate marketing. You can promote Wix Studio itself or other complementary products and services, earning a commission for every successful referral. This is a great way to diversify your income streams without needing to build a new product. Remember, the more value you provide, the more opportunities you create. Also, for those looking to upgrade their home tech, check out the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your workspace tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.